Turn that stove up, man. Drill splash, drill splash. Outside. Baby, I know we made it. I know them other bitches hate it. It's so amazing. They wanted me to lose some races. We traded places. We put it in their faces. Goodness gracious, I caught cases. Stood on all 10. Never switched. Never gave up on my soul. Never been no bitch, never been no hoe. Even when I travel down that lonely road, devil on my shoulder telling me it's over. Bluebird bus freezing cold, but them handcuffs was colder. Couldn't see the light in the tunnel, the life of a locomotive. I remember nights when them kites the only thing that held me over. I done seen fights with a knife, but now they call them pokers. Dealt the hand of cards, but the dealer didn't remove the joker. I tried to play it right, but in this game it filled with shife. Ain't nobody there to wipe your tears when gangsters cry at night. Every day a different gamble, hoping that we break the dice. I wanna thank my mama and thank Brian. Thank my bitch that held it down. I know I promise I'ma change, and I swear I'm trying. I'm trying to wipe the dust up off my shoulders and filled with grime. I pray I never see the day they put me in the ground. But I know it's coming. The reaper right around the corner trying to creep up on us. The law still killing niggas acting like we nothing. And the women that proclaim to love you, they probably bluffing. Queens don't treat kings like they deserve the crowns and the rings. And these kings ain't no better, they selling for whatever. A faggot ass bitch that ain't tryna bring no cheddar. I'm just tryna cross my T's and dot my I's in this letter. Outside. Drill. Drill splash, drill splash. Drill splash. Baby, I know we made it. You was out here on your own, but you was patient. And when they tried to throw them stones, they couldn't fade you. I know they trying to block the shine, but they can't shade you. Nah, they can't replace you. I'm sorry. Don't cross the tracks.